Hi everyone, welcome to Python Deep Learning Solutions by Indra Den Bakker, a video course by Pack Publishing. I'm Doug Stevens and I'll be the voiceover artist for this course. Indra Den Bakker is an experienced deep learning engineer and mentor. He is the founder of 23 Insights that is part of NVIDIA's Inception program, a machine learning startup building solutions that transform the world's most important industries. For Udacity, he mentors students pursuing a nano degree in deep learning and related fields, and he is also responsible for reviewing student projects. Indra has a background in computational intelligence and worked for several years as a data scientist for IPG Media Brands and Screen 6 before founding 23 Insights. Let's take a look at what we've got in store. Section 1. Deep Learning Frameworks includes information and information related to environments and GPU computing. It's a must-read for readers who have issues in setting up their environment on different platforms. Section 2. Feed-forward neural networks provides a collection of topics related to feed-forward neural networks and forms the basis. The focus of this is to provide solutions to common implementation problems for different network topologies. Section 3. Convolutional and recurrent neural networks provides information on techniques and optimizations used in CNNs and RNNs. The focus is to provide solutions to common implementation problems for recurrent neural networks. Section 4, GAN and computer vision, provides a collection of videos related to unsupervised learning problems. Also, classic techniques of processing image data using Python will be provided, along with best-of-class solutions for detection, classification, and segmentation. Section 5, Neural Network Learning and Data Processing, covers topics related to stream data processing and illustrates many aspects involved in the learning process of a neural network. Section 6, Network Internals and Pre-trained Models, covers the internals of a neural network and the popular deep learning models such as VGG16 and Inception v4. This course takes you through a number of practical solutions covering a wide range of topics you need to know about Python deep learning. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey.